Welcome again guys to our channel. In this video we are talking about 5 budget DSLR cameras for the beginners who want to start photography as career or for their YouTube channel. Nowadays mobile devices are so good in terms of camera, but why DSLR? Because it can fit wide range of lenses, a brilliant stabilization and a lot more features. We will not go in details about design or body or any in-depth features including lenses, but only necessary ones. All the prices of DSLRs are mentioned in the description below. And without wasting time, let's jump to the first budget DSLR camera, Canon EOS 1500D. This is the entry-level DSLR camera from the Canon, having an 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor and an optical viewfinder for an authentic DSLR shooting experience. This camera has large grip that provides steady hold to camera, and with 9-point autofocus it provides sharpened images. The main thing is battery backup in this camera. It's really good for an average use. It also has built-in Wi-Fi or NFC connectivity, which enables the seamless upload of photos and videos to your drive or social media. Now, as per the price, this camera is awesome in its range but has some cons, like you can't focus point from round dial, sometimes noisy low light photos, but considering price, it's deal breaker. So beginners, just go for this DSLR. Next up is Nikon D3500. Having beginner friendliness, D3500 comes with APS-C CMOS sensor with 24.2 megapixels. It has a compact design, comfortable ergonomics, fast single shot, and best of all, it produces some excellent image quality. One of the huge letdown in this camera is no Wi-Fi. Still, it has Bluetooth but no option for backup to drive through the internet. And no touchscreen display, which is on con side because rival cameras has touch display at this price point. But if you are looking for YouTube or not a hardcore photography, then this camera is hard to beat. Next one is Sony Alpha 5100L. As we know, Sony is a company which provides premium build and a bunch of extra features in their devices. And if you don't want that freaking heavy cameras with large bodies, then this mirrorless camera is for you. It combines the compact design of Sony A6000 with the Sony's A6000 24.3 megapixel sensor and staggering 179-point phase detect autofocusing system. Its body is small and compact. Beside its size, 5100L provides amazing image quality with a great high ISO performance. One of the biggest advantage in this camera is 180-degree tiltable LCD screen, which is flexible for the vloggers. It feels like premium finish, but is plastically, and touchscreen controls are not that really good. Some of the buttons are also lacking. So for great image, you have to tweak controls in manual mode to get the best shot. Besides these cons, it takes better images in this price range compared to other brands. On fourth, we have Nikon D5300. Coming with a 24.2 megapixel CMOS sensor and a 4-image processor, D5300 provides fast capturing and enhanced quality of images. An improved white balance better than any other brand in this price range defines brilliant whites, smooth gradations and sharp edges to the photos. GPS is surprisingly present in this camera, which is good at this level price. Its wide sensitivity range of ISO 100 to 12800 at normal setting delivers impressive noise reduction and is expandable to 25,600 for extreme low light situation. While having all the features like Wi-Fi and NFC, still it has cons. Viewfinder has small and not bright display, and one main thing, no headphone jack. Noting all in all, it may not be latest entry DSLR, but the D5300 is still a smart buy. Last but not the least is Canon EOS 200D. This camera uses the same Digit 7 processor as the Canon 800D, which fall in the premium side of the camera. So without doubting, this beast has excellent camera quality and performance. The camera offers 24 megapixel dual CMOS autofocus for the world's fastest live view focusing and a tunable screen, 9 autofocus points with ISO range of 100 to 25,600. Dynamic range and high ISO performance still not as good as leading competitors in this camera. And there is a shallow buffer depth with RAW files. Minusing these 2-3 cons, rest is superb in this camera. With a combination of required lenses, it produces some brilliant images quality, and at this price it's unbelievable image quality you can get. And lastly, one thing to note that none of this camera shoot at 4K RAW footage, which is obvious at this price range. That's all folks. Thanks for watching. If you like our video, give thumbs up, consider subscribing, and see you next time.